For today's video, I'll be coupling a reading desk or a writing desk. The brand decided to give it the name Luge for whatever reason, so I'll be coupling a Luge. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Like the normal way I couple things, first of all, I tend to unbox it, remove the wraps, then start bringing out the necessary objects that I'll use to fix the table. The nuts, the bolts, the washers, the screwdrivers. This one has some support at the back, the two flaps of iron that are on the floor, the stands, the iron stands, and the tempered glass that can withstand hot temperature, thermal shocks. I move ahead to look at the instruction manual put by the producers on how you couple it. There are different measurements, different dimensions. You have to look at it closely. Make sure that you understand the designs, what it's talking about, so that you'll be able to know the exact measurements, how to fix them. There are several holes with the nuts, so I'm testing the hole to make sure that it matches with the nuts. Otherwise, it will fall inside like this one that's gone inside. So I decide to check to know which hole I have to put each of the nuts. This is very easy to couple because when you look at it, the base has also come with the frame where you place the glass. The silicone disc will hold the glass. Make sure that it matches with the hole. Like I said, there are several holes. If you're not careful, you put the disc in the place where the nuts are supposed to be. So I test it. These are the supports on the back of the leg of the table. Then this middle one, I also fix the nuts to make it rigid, to give it a firm support. When you place heavy objects on the table, it doesn't give way, it doesn't fall off. This support gives it balance, it makes it to be stabilized. I make sure that I tighten it very well. Tighten the nuts, there are nuts inside this hole. Screw it very well to be able to hold the legs in place. It doesn't shift. Even when there is pressure or there is any heavy weight placed on it, it doesn't shift. I screw it tight enough to hold the legs in place. After this, I place the tempered glass on the stand and make sure that it's well positioned, rigid and sturdy enough to hold the weight that we placed on it. So let me know what you think about the video. Leave your comments below. And if you like the video or learn anything from the video, give it a like, share it among your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.